Kajingmi perthai kaseng sanhima hahau-hau social media bala ai ka kerteng Niangkalaw Janata Party lani ka Cockroach Janata Party CJP dang hakini ki khindiat sngi. Kelas dang ban Pynking Baiong ye ki babon kinong yalam jong keseng sanhima hari India. Uba Mariahom Kharkrang, Upadya Kaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP Meghalaya, Uloong Haka Arpusan Terik Ujemang, Kani ke CJP Kalong ke Parti Rungai Bat Kamdon ke Nongrim, Kumbalong Kiseng Sanhima Hakani Kari. Uloong, Tang nakadaw balasdang jelay kinong bot hagi social media, kamut bakani kaseng kanla banthaw perthai AA, bat kam kot boru banyakun haki election. Uloong ka jingmi jong ka CJP kadai tang ka jing kendit na ki jingjia ki belami na ki election badang syudap shen hagi kattu kat neteli ki jela jong ka ri India. Ula kentat mardor da ka boong baka jingmi jong kani keseng kalong baki Samla ki persya ye keseng sanhima hakani kari. Uloong ru ki Samla kari India ki ne melon halaki jong ki seng san perthai baki shimbenta. Ula kentui ki Samla ban ne khop ha ki seng baki don barok shikata ban ki jingmut habawan phalo ko umsaw khla. Lada ki don kenu ko jingtmu ban ai jingmut yat lingba ki kendon jong ki seng baki don. Kumban shipin kenmau ka social media Arab Spring kabala kelang hagi snem arhajar shipaw hadu arhajar khatar kalapin kelabaji bon teli ki sorkar bat ki nong sensyar kamtam haki ri pedeng mingi Middle East.
See, with the advent of social media, anything can happen. And I don't think so a political party can, in fact, it's nameless. It is, we really don't know who are the people of this so-called new party, so to say. It indicates that, of course, because it indicates a lot of people are into social media and all, but that does not indicate that because some of them have subscribed or gone to this page doesn't mean that these people will be to the extent that they will contest elections and actually be a force to be reckoned with. And it's a matter. I think so. We just have to wait and see how it turns out in the in future. But I really don't see anything much from this. There's some knee-jerk reaction or knee-jerk because of some statement that has been made and some reaction has come in and because of this and so I don't see much in this new political party again. I don't see much in it.
Do you see this movement?
No. I don't think so. I totally disagree with that. When you look, any government has been trying to connect with the young people and I don't see anything disgruntled that the youths have against any political party without mentioning any names. But our youths have been actively involved in politics. So where's the question that they have been sidelined or they have not been included into the decision-making process? And we see that a lot of young people have contested elections and also have won. So I don't think so that youths have been sidelined or not been included in the decision-making process of any government.
Do you foresee? But
I think so. India is too big for that. Okay, if we are trying to compare us with some other neighboring countries, not. I think so. India is too big for these kind of things, again. And ultimately, people will want to see a political party which is well established, a political party which has got its own ideology, a political party which is not it's growing not because of only one agenda, one issue. So I don't see any threat to any of the political parties.
What will be the message of Meghalaya BJP would like to?
See, these are platforms which should not be taken seriously. The government does open its doors to young people to come and express themselves. We are a democratic country, and we have seen, irrespective of which government, we have seen that if there's anything that they don't agree upon, they do come out and demonstrate. Not so, avenues have been open for people to vent out their feelings and whatever they feel against the government. So make use of these. Physical you know, these are what that physical thing that is present and available to them can. And going through social media and creating these kind of things, that's a wrong. Because a lot of because this is something uncontrollable, you know, and you really don't know what people can say in social media. So I think so our youngsters, our youths, they are educated enough to understand and to make a right decision on all these things. Again, a country cannot be run on social media, I should say.